After we left Moab, we drove to Virgin, Utah. There is a trail we want to conquer.
Alright, today we're in Virgin, Utah, and we're gonna ride a trail called Flying Monkey.
Yes! Pro line!
The Pro Line, yeah. For those that don't know, Virgin is where Red Bull hosts Rampage on various mountains around here. Yeah, it's kind of an interesting place. I've ridden it once before. Fairly technical line, but I guess the pro part comes from the exposure.
Is there any possibility I would die today?
Very small possibility.
Okay.
As he said, this trail is quite narrow and technical. Unpredictable surface, extreme exposure. Once you get in, there is no way to turn around. So we have to be prepared. Before we challenged the Pro Line, we visited 3 national parks. The first, Capitol Reef National Park. To overcome our fear of height, we stood at the edge of the 340 meters of cliff and also enjoy the Hickman Bridge. Learning, the nature is not gonna harm you. The second, Bryce National Park. To learn, unpredictable surface. Bryce National Park is quite unique place. There are hundreds of 60-meter high rock pillars called hoodoos. In the end, Zion National Park, trying the scariest hike in Utah, Angel's Landing.
It's quite exposed, I guess.
If you could complete the hike, now you got nerves of steel. We're ready to do the Pro Line, Flying Monkey.
Alright, we're at the top of Flying Monkey.
We're gonna fly.
Yeah, I hope you don't fly too far. And I hope you land.
Yes.
Yeah, Pro Line, honey.
Pro line.
It's probably, Portal is considered Pro Line, but this is probably harder.
Oh.
Probably.
Okay.
We'll see. Okay.
Okay, I go slower. It's really junky. Oh, interesting.
I think you're supposed to roll that.
Yeah, how does it look like?
Looks pretty harsh.
How about left side?
Yeah, you can. It's another tricky way.
Oh wow, this one's not roll, honey. This is a drop, isn't it?
I think you could drop it. I see chainring marks.
You going that way?
Yeah. This is tricky too because you have to.
Turn it?
Yeah. All right, let me see if I can do it. So tight.
Did you roll this one last time?
No, I probably walked this all last time. I was by myself. Okay, let's see. Oh no, honey.
If you think it's Pro Line, that makes you nervous too, right?
Yeah.
So just think this is just
Normal line.
like black.
Yeah. No, I'm not gonna do it. Yeah, the part of it's like I'm not used to this dirt and sand and stuff, so.
Okay. Walking time.
All right. First big feature, walks.
I think I can ride here. Oh yeah. Oops. Oh! Oh! I didn't see. me, but maybe I wouldn't die even if I fall, but still makes me nervous. What is it now?
You can just roll over this. So nothing. Fuck. Don't like it.
It looks like it's not going well. However, more challenges keep on coming.
It's a rocky trail, honey.
Yeah, it's a long way to the bend. What is it?
It's just random shit. Just looks like random shit.
Yeah.
In BC, this would be fine.
Yeah, this is sandy here.
Yeah.
It's loose.
It's all just mental issue. So, then use my imagination to clear the rocks.
Right. Ooh, it's so loose here.
Oh, I was almost ready to do it. Okay, this time.
Nice.
It's really not anything. It's really nothing.
Nothing? Nothing, huh? Probably not.
My failure continues. My image training didn't work out. However, every 10 meters, there are more features awaiting us.
All right, the next feature.
This is the pro line, honey.
Yeah.
You gonna go straight in the middle?
Yeah, I was thinking going this way because I think you can probably go slower. Well, it's fairly straight if you look at it. It's just so rough. Yeah, you gonna do it?
I think so.
Okay. You gonna go first?
Sure.
Okay. Should I go first?
Oh, you wanna go first?
I don't know. I don't want to send you into this shit without knowing it actually works. It's pretty rowdy. I don't want to do it.
No? Okay. Walking is harder here. Yeah, this sand, right? Yeah, on the edge.
Still, we are so mentally weak. We couldn't believe in ourselves. Remember, this rock. Avoiding is correct.
Okay.
Yes, this rock. Attacking isn't the right way. It's time for Yuka to fly.
Eat it.
You crashed, honey.
I did.
You okay?
That's bad. Crash.
I got one crash.
What is it?
It's just your rollover thing. It's so small.
Great success to Eric Bay.
So you want to go to the right a little bit.
Yeah?
Yeah.
We failed most of the time, and we had a little bit of success.
I think trail by itself is not bad, but there's a cliff just beside it.
Yeah. It's a big part of it.
Yeah.
If you mess up, you fall off the cliff.
Exactly. And if you imagine that, picture, and it's gonna happen, right?
Maybe. Ready?
Yes.
It's still a long way to go.
Well, this one's interesting. Lots of grip. I think I can do that. Should be okay. Ah, fuck it. Yeah, it's scratching. All right, let's walk.
Can I try?
Sure.
I'm coming. Ooh. Oh yeah, I crushed, honey.
Yeah, good try though.
But that one was okay.
Yeah, kind of. You didn't look like you had a lot of control, but
No?
no, but you weren't scared, that's for sure.
My God, 2 crashes, honey.
Overall, that was a hell of a ride. I have to say, that was really a pro ride. We were such a failures. I flew twice, but that was really gut feeling. I did something Eric didn't, even though I crashed. By the time we get to the van, we were so exhausted, like we couldn't talk to each other for a few hours. When we come back next time, I wish we could ride better and enjoy the ride more. Thank you for watching.